Clear prop.
Controls. Free and direct. Instruments. Good, good, good. Good. Gas. Got gas there. Gas is on. Primer's unlocked. Attitude. Attitude's good. There's no flaps. Run up is done. And radio. Cigar. C-I-G-A-R-R. All right, we got sufficient oil temperature now. I'm ready to take off. You are.
Already.
Clear target, Aeronca 917 Echo, departing runway 9er, departing the pattern drift south. Caution. My goal tonight is to maintain center line on landing and takeoff, and to fly by the numbers. Whatever number I'm looking for, I want to fly by that.
Alright.
Just don't have the power of the Bearhawk, does it? We ain't hardly moving, are we? There's 45, 50. Got a little light, there she is. Ah, it's not climbing too bad, it's climbing pretty good. But climb out on center line too, how about that?
There you go.
Ready to take it, it's all yours. I just did.
No.
Mom flew it a little bit the other night.
Did she?
Yeah. She ain't no speed demon, that's for sure.
No. That's not the point.
Nope.
Crazy.
Coach traffic, Aeronca 917 Echo, departing the power due south. From runway 9er, Coach. We're only about 1 mile away, not very far yet. Only going 70.
Well. Could be worse to use.
Yeah, it's not bad, is it?
No.
The center line focus, I just looked at not the best of anything else.
Nothing to
ones with Mom and Ralph and Mary, or Mark Dorcas, they're like, zoop, zoop. They were like 3 of the best landings. That was fun.
Yep. Coming up.
Yeah, you're welcome.